Ooh. I wonder if anyone is actually watching because I am still posting information to social media right now. Hello, whoever else is viewing this. Um, yes, I am still setting up the stream here, so just give me a second. Um, I really need to actually put a background on this and apparently fix my jaw to move when I talk and everything else, but we're getting there. It's new. It's fun. We're all going to learn things tonight. For now, let me just get this posted to Mastodon and Blue Sky, and then I will start setting up RUMP. Hello, viewers. God, okay. I really should have posted all my shit to social media before I actually hit record, because wow, this is actually taking a minute. Okay, there we go. Posted everywhere. I should actually also post the URL to RUMP. So for those of you that are curious, tonight I am doing this in celebration of Renpona actually releasing RUMP, which is this awesome new software that uses, okay, I can complete full sentences, I swear. Okay, here we go. So what is RUMP? RUMP is the Rumbling Universal Mayhem plugin that Rentona just put out about an hour and a half ago on my Discord. I had been bothering wow, too many things going on. Oh my God. Um, I had been bothering them to put this out for a really long time, and then I started working on a VTuber ad that obviously kind of works now. My hand tracking is still weird, my paws are the wrong color, and my mouth doesn't move enough yet. Um, but we're getting there. So what does Rump do? So the awesome thing about Buttplug is that we've had all sorts of people build like mods for their games. There is Buttplug mods for games like Hollow Knight and Stardew Valley and things like that. And the cool thing about mods for Buttplug is that they're all event based. So instead of like trying to actually make you any better at playing the game, what mods that for our devices do is just go, okay, some event happened in the game. What can we do with that? Can we trigger a vibration? Can we trigger stroking, rotation, something like that? So, like in Stardew Valley, for instance, if you harvest a vegetable, you can make your vibrator vibrate. If you ride the horse, you can questionably make your vibrator vibrate, so on and so forth. So, those are all well and good, but Rimpona kind of had this idea of what if you don't hook a vibrator to it? There is the ability to basically simulate a device in. So you can hook up a piece of software and make it look like hardware. But it can just be sending data to pretty much anywhere at once. And that's what Rimpona figured out. So let me bring up. Oh, come on. Okay, well, that's being annoying. So let me just tear off this tab real quick and move that over here so I can show everyone what this looks like. So here we go. This is Rinpona's thread about this on Twitter. And what's going on is this is using, I believe, so this is using playful plugins by Fiori Maniejo, I believe. And so what that does is it actually extracts, it takes a, basically it takes a picture of the screen a whole lot and analyzes it and goes, okay, here's what's happening. So it's not actually modding the game, it's just watching the game and trying to extract some information from it and gets events from it that turn into vibrations from it. So what would normally be vibrations, though, is now becoming VTuber animations, as you can see over in the corner here. So this is another demo that just kind of shows the, I think, the levels that are happening. Yeah, there we go. And of course, Rampona is sitting in chat and can possibly explain some of the stuff better than me because I am doing this completely off the cuff. Anyways, the cool part about this is it all works with all of the mods we already have. So I kind of want to do, now that I've got this VTuber av right here. Oh, that was a TF2. Okay, so that was TF2 specific. That was not playful plugins. That was for log files. The playful plugins, oh, that one's down here. Okay. Yeah, so this is the Overwatch 2 one. That, I love that. That animation so much. So anyways, yeah, this is using screen scraping to figure out what's going on in Overwatch 2. The events in Overwatch 2 are being picked up and by Rinpona's are being picked up by Playful plugins, which then sends them to my software interface or butt plug, and then sends them over to RUMP. So anyways, let's set all this up on stream and see how easy it is and what all this turns out. So first off, I need to close that. And let's go ahead and download the software. Okay, so we're downloading it. Just extract it real quick. Okay. Um, so start it. And Windows thinks it's unsafe. Okay. So here we go. This is RUMP, free on itch. I will go ahead post the URL in chat just in case anyone's interested in it. But it's at rinpona.itch.io. So you can go there and download this. So it's up and running now. So it comes with its own version of interface. You don't have to download my Interface Central software to use this. You can if you want, but it is a little bit more complicated. If you do want to use this alongside toys, that is an option though. And there's some really good documentation. I wish that my software was documented this well, but this actually, Ramona wrote a whole bunch of docs that actually show you how to go through this and use everything. So that's great, because I don't really plan on this video being a fantastic tutorial. More just me figuring out how all this works and checking out for myself because it's super cool. That I love it when people write software that uses my software in interesting ways. So anyways, oh shit, hi Ulex. Thank you for the follow, as well as Devangus Beef. Thank you for the follow. Someday soon, hopefully I will be able to say thank you for the sub, but I am still working my way toward affiliate right now because I've had my Twitch account for 2 days. Anyways, we are hooking this up, and for some reason my Twitch events are now showing in the middle of the browser. I am very good at streaming. There. Okay. So anyways, as I was saying, interface is built in here. You don't have to set up Interface Central unless you really want. Now it is looking for a VTuber system. So I am using Warudo on recommendation from Rincona. So I will go ahead and bring that up. Let's see here. Okay, so here is my Rudo, and is my other Rudo window. I guess I don't really need to bring up my avatar window. You can see my avatar. It's actually on the screen right now. Okay, so go over here to the documentation, and we need to create a blueprint with a WebSocket action on it. So blueprint, WebSocket, drag that over here. And then I guess, so I'm going to try this with the Peggle mod that I wrote. I think that'll be really interesting. So I don't really know what this app can do, though. Like, I have not actually practiced anything with this. I just set it up yesterday and was like, oh, it tracks my face. Cool. I don't know how to do anything yet. So I'm just going to try to have it change an expression. So let's go to toggle character expression. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, so we go back here. I need to set up the action called vibrate and change our type to integer, and then make a little arrow line go from point A to point B. Say it's for me, and let's say joyful. So what's going to happen is I'm going to start up Peggle, and my mod makes a vibrator vibrate whenever you actually like hit a peg. So it should make me show the joy expression whenever a ball hits a peg. And the interesting part is going to be, and the great part about Peggle is that there is a Peggle game happening when you start the game. The main menu of Peggle is a Peggle game itself, so I don't even have to start a game. It just starts when I start the game. It was great for testing the mod. And also later this week, I'll be doing a stream where I go over how this mod works, as well as adding some new events to it, just to show people how things work in Peggle. So anyways, I've got this set up. Let me pull up RUMP again and move this over to Warudo and hit connect. We are connected. That is awesome. Okay, so we are ready to go. I just need to pull up R2 Mod Man, which is already up. Okay, cool. And let me go ahead and make myself a little larger here. Go over here. Since like there's a whole bunch of desktop and not very much me. Okay. I think we're good now. I think we're ready to go. Let's give this a shot. Okay. We came up, we connected, we're good. We're starting Peglin. Here we go. Here we go. What the fuck? What the oh god. No, what? No. No. What is why? Why is it doing that? Oh god. It looks like it's resetting my blend shapes whenever it hits the, oh no. Oh, that is bad. Oh god. Oh, this is like weird forced TF for Peglin. Ah. Okay, let me change the expression. Does this get any better if I... Oh, no, it does not. Oh, God. Why does it keep turning me into a weird, like, huge dog with gigantic... I think my expression animations are borked. I didn't actually try them before I did this. Oh, no. Oh, God. Well, okay, so if anyone ever wanted to turn Peglin into a weird forced TF game, congratulations, here you go. This is weird and scary. I feel slightly violated. But RUMP works. It's doing what it's supposed. RUMP technically works. Renpona's software did exactly what it's supposed to, and I have no idea what I am doing as a VTuber. Oh god. Oh god. Well, okay. In for a penny, in for a pound. Let's go ahead and see how weird this gets in an actual game. Okay. No. We're gonna make this as. I could try a different Warudo note or something, but I want to make this as weird as possible. I just want to live in the weirdness here, because there's like, yeah, that's just. Oh god. Oh god. Oh. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's completely fine. Wow. Like seriously, I did not expect to be like demoing a product for the transformation community tonight, but I feel like I am making new strides in bridging communities that I have not normally been a part of. Okay, let's see. Character animation. We one shot character animation. What character animations do I have? Um, okay, so let's do some fist pumping. And we will kill this node for right now, and however much fun that was. What is there? Um, wait, cat animation. What cat animation? Cat. Wait. Oh no. Okay. Well, let's see what this does. Let's see what this does. Oh, turns out if you click on the window in OBS, it does not play the game. Okay. Not okay. That's not working. Oh, I forgot to set the character. That is a good idea. Okay. Now if I set the character. Oh god. What am I doing? Why? Okay, I need to move myself over a bit. Oh, no, me. Move me. Okay. Look at me. I'm a kitty. Except I'm a fox because I would not possibly embarrass myself like that. Let's see how horrible, like, how much is this going to make my arm hurt if I set this to, fist pump? Okay, no, I'm just gonna keep my arm there, I guess. I'm just hanging out with my arm up. Okay, that is not at all a gesture I really want to be stuck in. Ooh. There's nothing like a sexy pose when the balls touch. I absolutely just trying to get myself banned off of Twitch here. Yeah. Oh my god, this is... Yeah, I mean, that's the thing. I could preview the animation, but it's kind of fun if we all learn together what horribleness I am subjecting myself to here. Also, I forgot that I'm actually playing a game, and there are slimes actually hitting me now. I could actually pay attention to what's going on, or I could just keep being a dumbass. As far as I have been able to tell from watching other VTubers, that seems to kind of be the goal. So... there is no Efigo in here. That is a little weird. Is cat emote the same thing? Oh god. Oh god. Oh, this is so humiliating. Oh dear lord. Cute emote. Okay, why is that cute? I'm cute to begin with. I just thrusting out my arms. Oh, I finished a level. I did not mean to do that. Let's see what energetic looks like. Okay. I didn't see any of that. Ooh, okay. Okay, that's just the hand again. Oh, okay, that actually works kind of well. Yeah, I should definitely. We are going to need an here. I should go ask one of the lewd tubers I know. I'll just go poke Mel. Hey Mel, how do I make that face? I'm sure you've got some experience in that. This is so good. This is so good. Rinpona, you goddamn genius. I love this. Wait, why did I stop? Why did I... Oh, because... Are those not... Okay. Oh my god! Okay, that's... These things right here, so, in my mod code, which I will pull up right quick, because why the hell not? This is actually a coding stream. You know, nothing says furry VTuber like Visual Studio. So I'll go over this in more detail later this week when I do the Peglin modding stream. But for now, I only check one message or one event, which is called Pop Peg. There are a lot of different types of pegs in Peglin. So these are the actual pegs. These are like a block or something, and then there's also like a pachinko peg or something like that that's used in a different object game. All of these have a shared peg base class, but I'm only checking for regular pegs right now, which these little blocks in the middle are. So that's why I make the cute when I do that, but not right here. And that's me trying to drink water, but also looking cute. So I've got some fixes to make on the mod, which is good to know, because otherwise, like, things aren't vibrating. But, oh, it's so good. Yeah, I'm going to talk to the crowd control people and see if they're doing anything on Peglin 2. It's a pretty easily moddable game. Bepinex worked right in it, so... yeah, I mean, I think this might be the first time. I mean, this is my second time streaming with code, period. So it would probably be my first time finding bugs in my own code, but at least it's my stuff. And no, Rinponus, RUMP seems to work amazingly well. As you can see, I just installed it and was able to drag things together, and suddenly it's working for me. And I mean, I'm a computer idiot. I only like maintain a sex toy library and stuff. I'm not really all that good at this. So if it's this easy for me, obviously it's going to be easy for everyone else too. Okay, I should maybe like I guess I could pay attention, like, but I'm having too much fun watching myself make the cute expression here. Thank you for the follow, Stux, as well as Binary and Zoskunk and Dolphin. I am really behind on saying thanks to people. But you are all putting me one step closer to actually being able to make money off of this stuff and possibly supplement my my software development salary and achieve that true dream of just streaming full time. Except that's not my dream. I have no idea how I would do that. I don't know how any of you actually stream as much as you do. Thank you, June Julie, for the follow. Okay, I think these are the pachinko pegs that I mentioned earlier. So I will probably make no expressions when this happens. Yep, there we go. Yeah, these pegs don't actually move. So so no expressions there. No fun stuff happening. No TF. I should actually go over here. It's actually more fun to. Okay, awesome. It's more fun to fight enemies than it is to get treasure right now, since I'm trying to show off the software. So for anyone that came in late, I am showing off. I will open my browser here again. Find it. There we go. This is the Rumbling Universal Mayhem plugin by Rimpona. If you are a VTuber, this will allow you to use mods that are made for the buttplug.io Intimate Haptics library for your VTube app. So instead of triggering off all the hardware we do in buttplug, like vibrators and whatnot, you can actually make your VTube app do things based on our events. Or you could make them both do it, like both that and your VTube app and your vibrator go off at the same time, if you are the type of person that does that not on Twitch. Okay, so now that I've given the pitch yet again, the software is, I will post it again in chat, available on itch.io for the wonderful price of free. Thank you for the follow, Professor Dante. And I've just been showing off the stupid things I can do with my extremely new VTuber app, because I just built this yesterday, and Rimpona helped me out a whole bunch. Okay, so there we go. Let's get this here. I can move that over here now. I was going to play. Let's see what happens if we just do some really dumb shit here. And wait. Okay. I can feed through, I guess. Let's see if this works like I think it does. Rimpona, or anyone that knows how to use Verudo's node system, it doesn't look like I can multiplex off an exit of a node. If I just throw this through, will that carry the signal across? I'm used to stuff like MaximSP or VVVV or things like that. Okay, cool. I'm kind of used to being able to just like bring a whole bunch of flows out of a node, but that makes sense. Okay, so I could also just do this and see what stupidity happens. And oh god, that's bad. That's weird. That's and there is that forced TF again. Okay. This is so weird. Yeah, it's not often that I will program in a new language on stream, but this has actually not been too bad. Luckily, I do also have quite a bit of experience in data flow languages, so oh my god. So yeah, I'm gonna work on fixing the expressions on this app after this is over, because I don't know what's going on here. Let me actually just try to, okay, if I just trigger an expression using one of the alts. Okay, so it is, there's like some weird werewolf shit happening. Like, I just like rip out of my clothes and get a gigantic schnoz and huge ears, and I don't know why. And then if I do that, I turn back into my normal nerdy fox ass self. Okay, so possible Unity fixing stream tomorrow. We have now found bugs in both my VTube avatar and in my mod code. This is fantastic. This is great. I do love embarrassing myself in front of other people for money. So that's going real well. Anyways, cool. Well, I'm going to fix, I think I am, okay, VRM expressions don't actually, copy the blend shape set from the base avatar. I'm used to VRChat abs, not VRM abs, so I need to bring across my blend shape set and apply it to, I guess, all of my animations. So that will be a fun and time-consuming process. We'll for now remove this because I don't like transforming like that. But honestly, this has been a fantastic way to learn. I definitely am going to get on stream more with software I have no clue how to use and people that do know how to use it and do stupid things until they tell me how to do it right. Funny enough, I've also already planned on having code review streams for BookPlug.io on here, so I can bring on smart people that work on Rust and go, please tell me what's wrong with my code and how to make it better, because I have worked on BookPlug.io for 7 years now with 0 code reviews, none code reviews. And so it would be nice for someone else to actually see that and go, no, you can do this better. What other? Ooh, let's stress. Let's get stressed about alt. Okay, what's this look like? Oh God. Okay, that's just yeah, no, that's me having a panic attack. And yeah, that would be, if you could send me information on converting to Warudo format directly, that'd be great. So this av is a modification of a Julia Winterpaw masculine canine base. You can buy it on Gumroad. It's fantastic. I highly recommend it. But that was also, the tutorials for that were mostly made for VC Face. Warudo, I've already had to make a few changes to how the blend shapes were baked and whatnot for this to show up correctly here. Yeah. And okay, now Peglin is giving me a panic attack, so I will maybe choose another animation. Maybe not something quite so stressful. Let's lean sexily forward. Oh yeah, okay, that's a good one. I'm just going to keep making horrible balls touching jokes while I do this, apparently. Also, oh god, with that ab, you can kind of see that I didn't actually add pants to this yet. So that's another goal of VTube avatar construction is pants. I am losing this game so badly. Also, if anyone has any yeah, that's the game actually listening to me and plotting against me on stream. If anyone has any recommendations on better chat windows than what I have up right now, because I see everyone else using like these really nice like pop-up windows that show chat and everything, and I'm just using the CapChat off Nightbot, and no one can read it apparently. Please let me know, because I would like to actually improve the stream and make the text, you know, readable. Okay, so this is actually going to be super fun to play with, like figuring out like how to randomize the animations and all just off the vibration signals. And it'll also be like, there's kind of an interesting question here of, is there a way to is there going to be a way to both control toys and control apps that's interesting in both ways? Obviously, once again, that's going to be for a site that is not Twitch. But luckily, there are a lot of people that use my software on other sites that are not Twitch and that you can actually be an adult on. And over there, that might be really interesting. If I look and see here. Okay, that doesn't do much. No, my... See what sad looks like. I'm just testing stuff now. This is just fun. Okay, I definitely now I don't want to. Okay, that doesn't look like crying. That just looks like kitty all over again. You can make the chat slightly bigger. Slightly down. There we go. Oh. So I think for tonight I am going to finish up this level, kill this couple of bats, and then call it a night because I have sumo to go watch. Those of you that are not aware, the September Boss Show just started last night, so if you would like to watch very large men smack each other around, there are multiple Twitch channels available, including Midnight Sumo. And it's going on for 8 hours a day, every day, for the next 2 weeks. I gotta say, yeah, like this is Rinpona, you goddamn genius. This is so much fun. I am already like, I just started VTubing and already this is just great. It's super fun to test on stream. It's getting me follows, so you know, the numbers are there. Speaking of, thank you, Meme Man EXE, for the follow. And yeah, so it's doing its job of both making me not feel weird about sitting here while people watch me play Peggle very badly, though I cannot believe I am still alive somehow, even though I haven't been taking upgrades and I haven't even really been paying attention to the game. Upgrade one of the orbs here. Thank you. The vote of confidence helps. Anyways, so got a couple of streams planned for later this week. First off, I'm going to be doing a restream of the stream I did on Friday, where I actually explained the system that RUMP works on. So inside of butt plug and interface, there's a thing called the device WebSocket system that allows you to, if you're making like a little device out of an Arduino or a Raspberry Pi or an ESP32 and you want to hook it up to our software, that's what it allows you to do. You can also do fun stuff like RUMP though. So I'll be going over that in a stream that I'm going to hopefully turn into a YouTube video also, because people have been asking for tutorials for the past 7 years and I just keep writing software and not telling anyone how to use it. So trying to fix that little situation. And then also going to be, like I said, doing a stream where I go over how the Peglin mod that I'm currently playing works. This is going to be sort of an intro to modding games for Buttplug and really modding games in general. The great thing about building mods for Buttplug is it's really easy, and we aren't modifying anything about playing the game. We're just going, okay, the game did a thing, tell us about it, which makes it a really nice entry level for learning how to mod a game. So I'll be going over like the basics of how BepInEx works, which is the modding framework that you use for Unity, how to hook it up to interface, and then just, yeah, showing how this works. I've got some other mostly, I'm going to be making weird, I totally forgot I had the expressions on after I hit that button. So I am apparently crying at the moment. Anyways, if anyone would like to see anything, has any ideas for stream topics otherwise, if you're a developer, or I'm also going to be going through and just starting to play different games that people have made with, or different mods people have made that work with my software, just to kind of show it off. Obviously, I cannot show actual hardware on Twitch because that would get me banned very fast. The fact that my account name hasn't gotten banned already, kind of amazing. But the hope is to do lots of demos on here, show stuff in as much of a safe for work manner as possible, using things like RUMP, using some other visualizers I'm making, and it gives people a way to see stuff without having to go over to all of those other sites where you have to sign up and give them your credit card and things like that. Though definitely if they're content creators using my software over there, please go over and give them money. So I'm marking things mature when they're going to be mature. It's kind of interesting because if I'm just talking about code, really the only thing that's going to be mature is the word buttplug. Outside of that, no one's really going to be able to honestly tell what's going on. I will probably keep it mature though, just because, just to make life easier on myself. I really would like to keep this account. I do also have another, I really don't like that expression. Every time I see myself do that, it's kind of weird. Ooh, okay, now I'm gonna fight the balls. There we go. Now I'll just be angry balls. Now what does this look like? Oh, what is this gonna be? Oh, yep, okay, that's awesome. Not growly enough. I look more tense than anything. Like my butt is very tight right now. Anyways, yeah, I've got a lot of ways that I'm planning on showing stuff off here that, once again, should be not mature, should be safe for work. Thank you, A2 Omega, for the follow. And and we'll see what happens. We'll see. Like, I've also got a personal account on here that if I do streams for things like 3D printing or other. Oops, that is the wrong window. If I do streams for 3D printing or other types of haptics that are safe for work and stuff, I'll be doing over there. But I figured I'd reserve this one just in case. And also, it's just a fun name to have everywhere, especially when I can play with it. Keep this button. Give me a moment. Ah, damn it. If I bring up the blush animation and blend it with that, I'm also going to turn back into a werewolf. So, yeah, I'll go work on fixing those. Oh god. Oh, I am being raided. Oh no. Oh, wow. Thank you. Thank you, oh god, now I actually have to say your name on stream. Okay, Atramentum. Thank you, Atramentum, for the raid. Hello. Oh my god, there's people watching now. There's... So, hello, raid. Hey, Atramentum. I'm using Rinpona's software. So I have RUMP up right now. I just did a quick tutorial on how to get it running, and let me show you how crazy this gets because I screwed up my VTuber my VTuber app config. Okay, let's reset that. Do that, and yeah, we'll just let it feed through. Yeah, so here we go. Check this shit out. Oh god, it's so horrible. It's so weird. Oh wait, now I'm stuck. Now I'm stuck. Why am I stuck? Why am I stuck? Oh god. Please, no, go. Oh, whew. Yeah, I have, thanks to Rinpona's software, I can now be a werewolf. Oh, I'm dying. I am very close to dead. I have been so busy screwing around with this that I've completely forgotten to actually play the game. And yet somehow I'm still alive. So I'll be splitting this video up and posting the how to put all this together part to YouTube. Ah, damn it! Damn it! I was hoping I could get that bomb. Okay, yeah, I can still get the bomb. Maybe still get the bomb if I can. Come on. And yay! Okay. But is that going to be enough to actually kill them, or is that... Nope. Damn it. Okay, I'm dead. Ah, fine. Okay. Well, I can always, you know, start a new game. So actually, okay, I'm kind of curious. Let's switch games real quick. Let's see what this looks like if I... Oh, wait. Am I gonna be able to... Oh, that's gonna need a mod. So I can't do this with the... Connect out to interface. Oh, that is running interface central. So I can't do this with the game haptics. Okay. So if I connect to that... Okay, so this T-code 3 is... That is RUMP. Okay, so bring up Steam here real quick. For those of you not familiar, the Game Haptics Router is a program that I write that takes vibrate. It basically attaches to a game and takes the vibration signals from it. So, like when you're playing with a gamepad and it makes the gamepad rumble, we pick that up and we can basically reroute that to other haptics. Once again, haptics that well, you'll be seeing in some form here, possibly because I I don't know. I've been thinking like maybe I'll get the Motor Bunny out for this. Uh, if I gotta find a USB cable real quick. Go. Okay. Um, yeah. So I have a piece of hardware called the Motor Bunny that in in the parlance of my industry is called a saddle vibrator. Um, It is a 35-pound piece of machinery that happens to have a very, very large vibration motor in it. And the great thing is, though, it looks fairly innocuous. It's just basically a butt kicker that happens to be in a different chair shape. And the great thing is, it's super, super light. Um, so, anyway, I'm gonna check and see if land works here, and then I need to head off. Okay. Oh no. And I use the keyboard too much, and Crimson Land hates that. So okay. So let me that by Crimson Land again. Window. Everything else. And go back. Car. Process list and refresh and Crimson Land. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so the Motor Bunny is just like the Sibian and except and it costs just as much. It's just newer. It has Bluetooth. The Sibian came out in like the 80s, the Motor Bunny, and there's also one called the Cowgirl that they're exactly the same. They're also the same price. But yeah, I gotta say, Rocket League with the Motor Bunny. Oh yeah, you can feel the boost. You can feel the boost. It's interesting. Um, Anyways, okay, so here we go, and oh god, oh okay. Now I forgot that on this controller, one of the triggers is stuck down. So now I am just going to be TFing constantly every time I shoot, which really that feels like someone's got to be into that in a way that makes me feel frankly uncomfortable. Um, this is oh, I wish this was a Mad Catz controller. Oh no, this is a broken Microsoft Xbox fucking Elite controller. This is $200 of breakage by a company that used to know how to make hardware and since somehow forgot. Because goddamn, I've had two of these things break on me and they're the worst goddamn thing ever. That's why I use PS5 controllers now. But this just happened to be on my desk. Oh god. Oh lord. Oh, that's a look right there. Um, and there is some enemy somewhere. Like there is just some spider hanging out somewhere on this level that I now have to go find and kill. But oh, there it is. Hello, and you die now. There we go. Okay. Um, So there used to also be audio in this game. What happened to that? Oh, I turned off all the audio because this is my test game. So, um, so Crimson Land. Why am I playing a game where I'm killing bugs right now? Well, it's good of you to ask that to me. Okay, that's really loud. Maybe we'll just leave the music off for right now. So anyways, this is, yeah, Crimson Land's a dual stick shooter where you kill zombies and bugs. It's actually a pretty solid twin sticker. I enjoyed it a lot actually playing it, but the really cool part about it is, and you'll be able to see this up here, like why is my av freaking out when this happens? So this right here is our visualizer panel for the game haptics rather. Whenever a vibration goes to the controller, it's going to show in the signal right here. So you will be able to see that. Okay, if I actually focus the window again. Yeah, so now you can see why I am... Oh, that is really loud. Oh, there we go. Slightly better as well. This is maybe working better with an audio. There we go. Okay. As quiet as I can get it. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to open up. Okay, fine. I will go over to OBS and kill my audio a little bit. Much better. There we go. Okay. And it's no longer spiking into the red constantly. sorry, everyone's eardrums. Yeah, I play a lot of games. I just finished up Pacific Drive last night. It was really good. So as you can see up in the graph up there, there's been like this game is really cool for vibration patterns. It just does a bunch of stuff. It actually stays really interesting for playing with the hardware that my library is made for. And that's why I use it so much as a test case, because I can just like start the game real quick, pick up a random gun, and it has really random, like there's just all sorts of patterns to try, so I can tell what works best, what do I need to like possibly, if I'm playing with the GHR or something, do I need to reset timings or things like that. So yeah, this has just been kind of my go-to test game for years and years now. And it's always funny because it's like I demo it to people and they're like, but that's not, I mean, do you find shooting spiders sexy? Is this the thing you are into? And so I've probably confused a lot of people with that. Anyways, okay, well, this is a completely impromptu stream, and unfortunately I've got some other stuff to do this evening, including going to watch some sumo, like right now. So thank you to everyone for showing up. Thank you for all of the new follows, everyone. And I got my very first raid. Yay! I also need to stop turning my face because my face tracking keeps thinking that I'm doing this. It's uh I'm still learning how all this works. There we go. Okay. Anyways, yes, I will see about actually maybe, I don't know, scheduling some streams sometime this week, and letting people know more than 5 minutes before I actually hit the start stream button. But yeah, thanks to everyone for joining, and I will see you later. Until next time, keep butt plugging.